Good morning. As you can see, I'm back here at the Senator James J. Rhodes Nature Trail. I was here in the summer, did a video. I was with a friend of mine, John, and he was in a good bit of the video. And I'm here in December the 17th. So there's a big difference than when we were here last time. And I'm going to take a walk down through for a little while and see what we can see. Now, as I speak, the northeast of the United States is going to get hit with a big winter storm. 12 to 18 inches coming in. Probably in about 2 hours, 2.5 hours maybe. We're going to get hit with a lot of snow. We were fortunate last year. We hardly got anything. Very little to shovel. But this one is going to keep me busy for a little while. And it's going to keep me from getting out and about. Winter in Pennsylvania. For about 37 years now, I've been shoveling snow at a church in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. And there, like I said last year, I was very fortunate, and I'll be paying for it tomorrow. I wanted to tell you about one year that I had to shovel the walks in front of the church. And it was after about a 12-hour day of working. And I was tired and miserable. And a young girl walked up to me, kind of hanging around, and I said hi. You know, I asked her, why aren't you inside? She said, well, she was waiting for her father to come home. He's coming home from work. I guess she was coming home from school. So we talked for a little while. And I said, well, come on in. I said, come into the church. We're going to have some hot chocolate. And we did that. And you know, I wasn't tired anymore. I wasn't miserable anymore. And every time that child would see me, she'd always stop to say hello. And sometimes we'd go in and have some hot chocolate. Just have a talk. And this went on for a couple of years. And then, of course, like anything else, she might have moved. I didn't see her. But every once in a while now, and this was many years ago. This could have been 30 years ago. She could be 38, 40 years old now. She recognizes me, and she always asks me how I'm doing. And it's just so pleasant to remember her for what she brought to me that day when I was miserable and cold. So maybe tomorrow when I'm shoveling that church out again, all these years later, she just might show up. Quiet. Quiet before the storm. Guess the birds know it, hunkering down. The deer know it, getting settled down into their little hollows. Squirrels know it. That's a nice trail. Come and visit sometime.